Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Patriot Tax, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the URL for Patriot Tax. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Patriot Tax website. Once the home page loads, locate the login section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password into the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Once your username and password have been entered, double-check for accuracy. After confirming your details, click the Login button. You should now be logged into your Patriot Tax account. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection. You can also try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Should you still have trouble, consider reaching out to Patriot Tax support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.